Please show your support, subscribe to this channel, help us to continue to bring fun and educational material to your young readers. A link to this book and all books read on this channel can be found in the description below. Thank you once again, and please subscribe. Hi there, reading buddies, and welcome back. Today's special shout out goes to Callie B. And Callie lives in Dallas, Texas. Wow, I've always heard that Texas is really hot. Is that true, Callie? Why don't you let me know, okay? Well, Callie says she likes Pete the Cat books. So, Callie, today's special book is just for you. It's called Pete the Cat and the Tip-Top Treehouse. Pete the Cat and the Tip-Top Treehouse by James Dean. Pete the Cat has built a treehouse. He calls his friends. "I just built a treehouse," he says. "Come over and play." Pete's friends show up. "This is great," says his friends, "but it's a little small." "You are right," says Pete. "It's too small. I'll fix that." Pete starts building a bigger treehouse. "Do you want some help?" asks Callie. "Sure," says Pete. Callie carries up more wood. "Can I help too?" asks Marty. "Sure," says Pete. Together they build a tower for Pete's treehouse. "Let's have a treehouse party," says Marty. "A party?" says Pete. "But what will everyone do?" "I can help with that," says Emma. "This is great," says Pete. "Let's do it." Pete, Marty, Callie, Emma, and Grumpy Toad get right to work. They build an arcade. They fill it with fun games. They build a bowling alley that has 20 lanes. They build a wave pool. Pete can surf indoors. They build a movie theater and a skate park and a rock climbing wall and an ice rink. Pete's friends all come over for the party. Pete takes one friend to the bowling alley. He takes one friend to the movie theater. Pete takes one friend to the skate park. Pete lets one friend surf in the wave pool. "Is everyone here?" asked Pete. "Yeah, but we're all alone," his friends say. "We come to play with each other." "Oh," says Pete. "Everyone meet down in the jungle gym." Everyone climbs down. "This treehouse is amazing," says his friends. "Thanks," says Pete. "I'm so glad it brought us all together." Wow, that was a cool story. Pete started out with a little treehouse, and when he was done, he had all kinds of rooms, a movie theater, a skate park, a wave pool, a bowling alley. Wow, I wish I had a treehouse like that. Well, Callie, what did you think of our story? I sure hoped you liked it. And thanks for stopping by, reading buddies. We'll see you next time. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Bye.